case has only now been settled while the accident happened in 1987. Saying all this, I just would like to address that whatever we do here in Cyprus, we have to do it right, we have to do it safe, we have to do it sound and sustainable. I wish that this forum, with all the experts in this room, will give some answers to the politicians. It will give some comfort to us who have to live with what our politicians implement in order to do the right job. I wish the Mare Forum all the success, and I would like to congratulate the organizers for hosting this event in Cyprus. Thank you very much.
Okay, the presentation by Mr. Adami is going to deserve some rebuttal later on, but for now, let's go with Mr. Empirikos. And Philip Empirikos is a well-known name, certainly in this business. He is the past president of PICO and director of Empirikos Ship Brokers. Philip, you have the floor.
Good morning. Well, let me just tell you a little story, because when I took over as chairman of PIMCO, I was told, you must never go to any presentation of Mare Forum. This is a commercial organization, we don't want to have anything to do with it. Well, the story goes on that sort of about 6 months later, I fired the Secretary General. That was a big battle for me. And I'm here with Yanni, and I've been here many times, and I think I'm not doing advertising for him, but he's, our relationship is great, and I think he does great deal of good for the shipping industry with these conferences. So Yanni, thank you very much. Thank you for coming. Right, okay. In fact, it twisted my mind to come here to speak to, and I said, look, I'm not just coming to Cyprus. And I said, okay, and I give you the floor. So I'm here. I know very little about gas, except what I've learned at university. I was very interested in it at the time. But when I approached Exxon, they wouldn't give me an L because it was state secret. So I changed and I went more into tankers. But anyway, maybe in my old age I'll come back to gas. Right, so let's go ahead. How does that work? Have a small problem. Right. Okay, here we are. This is a beautiful island. It used to be rich for its copper, and now all of a sudden it's got another wealth. In fact, this wealth seems to be all over the Eastern Mediterranean, as Professor Economides said, and it's a rebirth of this ancient region who basically brought civilization to the West. So welcome, gas, and let's hope you revive us to the top here. Right. Well, gas, it's fine to explore it, but you've got to transport it. And you can transport it either by ship or by pipeline. But in the first instance, I think it will happen by ship because the pipeline takes a long time. And as Mr. Adami said, you've got to build them right because otherwise we'll have big environmental problems. Now, LNG, gas can be transported in two manners. One is by liquidifying it, the other one is by compressing it. I will not go I'll go very quickly on the liquefaction. I mean, gas, you have to bring it down to minus 160 or minus 161 degrees centigrade to liquefy it. Then you put it into a ship, then it goes back, discharged into another facility, it's re-liquefied, and then re-transported by pipeline ashore. Well, Cyprus apparently is getting ready for that, so This is what we found that's being readied. I don't know what stage it is, but obviously people are thinking ahead here, and well done. Transporting by compressed air, well, it's the same system, except that there you only cool it to about 40 degrees, and you compress it, and you put it into sort of containers which are sort of like long, I don't know how to say, long tubes, basically. Obviously, this is sort of complicated.